Hello, this is Takahiro at Team YOKOMO. I would introduce more about the V4 Gyro today. Firstly, about the difference between normal mode and assist mode. Normal mode is that the gyro will assist with the driver's main operation. This is the same function like at V3 gyro. Assist mode is mainly operated by gyro, and driver steering operation is almost no need this mode. Normal mode is for the intermediate to expert levels drivers. Assist mode is for beginners who suffering the spin a lot. Soft mode and hard mode. By switching between those, it is possible to set up both 0 to 100% gyro gain in soft mode and 0 to 100% in hard mode. Expert driver is recommended to set normal mode and soft mode. Driver operation has more priority and it is possible to control the machine as desired by yourself. A combination of normal mode and hard mode is recommended for intermediate levels driver. As a summary, the beginner is a combination of assist mode and hard mode. Once the driver be more advanced, combination of assist mode and soft mode. Then step up to the normal mode and hard. And lastly normal mode and soft. You can improve your car in accordance with your driving level. Now install the V4 Gyro 2 chassis. I recommend to install the gyro in the center of the chassis. When connecting the cord, be sure to pay attention to the direction. First, I would explain about gyro gain adjustment on 2 channels. Since the gyro has installed perfectly, I would turn on the gyro now. Turn on the transmitter and the switch on the machine. When LED light on like this, neutral sensing is completed. In this movie, we tentatively mount the gyro on the sub for showing it clearly. But it is better to mount on the lower position for the driving performance. To confirm the direction, please check the direction of the steering. In case, if the steering moves inward against machine slide, gyro setup is reverse, please change the direction with the normal and reverse selector switch. Switching between normal mode and assist mode is the switching by the second switch from the left. Since the dial is in the middle as initial setup, the gyro gain is 0% for both soft and hard mode. Rotate to the left to adjust the gyro gain in soft mode from 0% to 100%. Turn it to the right to adjust the gyro gain of 0% to 100% from hard mode. Gain adjustment differs from conventional gyro. Please be careful about it, as the gyro gain control will be through the 3-channel of transceiver. Please carefully paying attention to the orientation of the cord when you connect to the receiver. When you change the numerical value to plus on the transmitter side, it switches to the hard mode, and when you change it to, it switches to the soft mode, and if you finish to set the endpoint, all completed and ready for drift. Now I would explain more about assist mode and normal mode, assist and hard mode. even when drifting like this. Almost nothing on handle operation. So when driving like a donut like this, easy to drift even if you release the steering wheel. However, this mode is not stable for the fast drifting or the steep angle drifting. The next is assist and soft mode. The gyro effects more milder, and it is possible to drift with larger action than before. In the assist mode, the effect of the gyro is maximum to prevent from the spin. But if you use a lot of steering wheel operation like this, it will cause a spin. Next is normal and hard mode. Compared to the assist mode, the driver's operation will have more priority. It is easier to switch from grip driving to drifting. However, because of the hard mode, the gyro works strongly, so the drift angle becomes shallow in general. The last is normal and soft. Very quick drifting may possible. This is the setting for the advanced expert drivers. It is possible to drift in deep and quick. Very impressive drifting can be performed. It is also effective for low grip, front tires and carpets. This is the end of V4 gyro detail today. We also introduced the new product and setting at YOKOMO Drift TV on our website. Please stay tuned.